Hi, viewers. My name is Brain. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about BMS and what you will learn about BMS. Let's get started. Today, in this video, I will give you the little glimpse of BMS about the course and contents, some of the topics which you will find in this course and what you will learn. Before we step into what we will learn in future lecture, first, we will look about BMS introduction. What is BMS? A building management system. BMS is a control system that can be used to monitor and manage the mechanical, electrical and electromechanical services in a facility. Such services can include power, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, physical access control, pumping stations, elevators and lights. 1. About the course and contents. This Building Energy Management System, BMS, course is very useful for anybody who is interested in understanding and learning the BMS system from a zero level till its full practical knowledge. This BMS course is for all engineers and technicians, either you are working as a contractor or a consultant. At the end of this BMS course, you will find a full detailed project to explain to you the system completely. This BMS course is a summarized course, which is very helpful to anybody who is interested to learn the BMS system in a very fast way, without wasting a lot of time. Some of the topics which you will find in this course. Introduction to the importance of the BMS system in different projects. The different protocols which are being used in the BMS system and how the different parts of the BMS are communicating with each other. You will know the hierarchy of the BMS system and how each level will be connected with the other level. The different types of switches, sensors and field devices which are being used with the different MEP equipment in the project like AHU, exhaust fans, pumps, fire alarm panel, electrical panels. What are the different controllers which are being used with the BMS system? The connection between the BMS panel with the VFD and lighting control panel. After this course, you will be ready to work as a BMS engineer or, you can work as a BMS operator. And you can lead the BMS technicians on site. What you will learn. 1. The BMS system and its components. 2. The different benefits of using BMS system in a building. 3. The architecture and different levels of the BMS system. 4. The different leading manufacturers of the BMS system in the market. 5. The different common protocols used for BMS system and the most used protocol. 6. How to convert from protocol to another protocol. 7. The different MEP systems which can be controlled and monitored by the BMS system. 8. The common field devices and sensors used with MEP systems in buildings and how to choose them from the catalog. 9. Understanding the types of I/O points and their types. 10. Understanding the different methods to connect devices in the BMS system. 11. Define the cable types which are being used with the BMS system. 12. Understanding the I/O point list. 13. The BMS riser diagram and how to read it. 14. The BMS schematic diagram and how to read it. 15. Understanding sequence of operation, SOP. 16. The different types of documents used with the BMS system submittal. This is end of this video. In the upcoming videos, you will get more clarity about BMS and you will get more practical knowledge. Please do subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.